In this video, we recap the main idea from week 2 and connect it to the next part of the course. You may design something, but users will use it through their own mental models. That is why we need user studies. So far, we have learned a simple but important lesson. You may design something, but you do not control exactly how users will understand it. Users bring their own mental models, goals, past experiences, words, pressures, and expectations. They use the system through those models. The phrase, "you are not the user," is a reminder to stay humble. You may know what you meant to build. The user only knows what the interface seems to say. Designers should not fight the fact that users interpret things differently. We should embrace it. Users reveal how the design works in real life. They show us where labels are unclear, where actions are hidden, where feedback is weak, and where our assumptions were too narrow. If many users predict the same wrong outcome, the design may be teaching the wrong mental model. In design and software, there is a useful rule called the principle of least surprise. The idea is that a component or system should behave in the way most users expect it to behave. It should not astonish or surprise users when surprise is not needed. Principle of least surprise connects directly to mental models and the two gulfs. If a button behaves in a way users do not expect, the user's prediction breaks. If a system changes state without clear feedback, the user's evaluation breaks. Sometimes a feature is necessary, but it has a high surprise factor. In that case, it may be necessary to redesign the feature, not simply blame users or add a long instruction. Now we reach the next question. If we are not the users, and if we should not surprise them, how do we understand what they expect? We cannot rely only on our own assumptions and experiences. This question leads us into the second part of the course, where we will explore the tools and methods used to study users, understand their perspectives, and learn from their experiences. We will also discuss how to collect and analyze information so that design decisions are based on evidence rather than guesswork.